the strip with the top peeled back. Sunshine beaming, yeah, the West where it's at. Palm trees swaying, cool breeze in the mix. Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Hey, we riding real smooth, so smooth. California grooves, West Side. BBQ's fired up, bring your crew. Retro vibes is what we do. Check it out. Putts on the track, got us feeling real good. Talkbox vibes, bring the heat to the hood. Cruising down the boulevard, cypress trees wave. West Coast flavor that'll carry you for days. Oh, the ocean breeze, it calls my name. Seagulls and the sunset in this golden frame. That's right. Late night rhythm keeps it all so tame. So chill. West Coast dreams will never be. Hey, we riding real smooth. You know it. California grooves. Ooh, that's right. BBQ's fired up. Bring your crew. All day. Retro vibes is what we do. Ooh, yeah. Beach bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sipping on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic is the only way to go. Magic is the only way to go. Graffiti tells tales on the subway line. Lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners home with a jazzy groove. Time stands still, it's hard to move. The rhythm of life, fast and slow. Navigate the maze, let the story flow.
The evening drifts like honey, oh so slow. A saxophone whispers where shadows go. Gentle piano paints the twilight's hue as cobblestone sighs
Bare knuckle
beneath
truth, raw and
our shoe.
unrefined.
The books are
Every line's a
sleeping
pulse
on
from
the
a vivid
dusty shelves.
Urban poets in
Stories
the
of
court of
lives
kings.
and
Street
forgotten
symphonies when the corner sings.
A cafe's hum, a gentle drum.
City lights shine, but they never show.
Echoes the footsteps of
The
an
truths we hide, the
endless
things
day.
we don't know.
Oh, city lights,
Concrete
they
jungle.
flicker The evening drips like honey, oh so slow. A saxophone whispers where shadows go. Gentle piano paints the twilight's hue as cobblestone sighs beneath our shoe. The books are sleeping on the dusty shelves with stories of lives and forgotten selves. A cafe's hum, a gentle drum in play, echoes the footsteps of an endless day. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful wanderings of all we know. The drizzle dances softly on the street, its rhythm a pulse beneath our retreat. Old stories rise with the scent of rain. The sax sings again, an ache, a refrain. Oh, isn't life a fleeting kind of art? The tender kind that lingers in the heart. A whispered question hangs, dearest muse, with answers wrapped in the city's blues. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful wanderings of all we know.
Shadows sharp like switchblade knives. Run or fight, no room to think. Blood on pavement paints the ink. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Steel and flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon. 88 miles and pedal down. Rules don't matter, claim the crown. Risk it all beneath street lights. King of shadows, born to fight. Smoke and mirrors, life's a chase. Flickering sights through time and space. No escape, the game won't stall. Burn it hard or lose it all. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Steel and flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon. Out. Gang ties deep without a doubt. Every scar's a point of pride. Violence paints the story's tide. the story's tied. We're the wolves, howl on the prowl. Siren songs won't make us bow. Still in flames beneath the moon. Chaos rises, coming soon. No retreat, no backing out. Gang ties deep without a doubt. Every scar's a point of pride. Violence paints the story's tide. City lights flicker where the sinners play preacher. Graffiti scriptures on train cars, a steel messenger. Cobblestone pathways, souls caught in a shuffle. Every breath's a gamble, life's one long scuffle. Sirens kiss the night with their mournful cries. Alleyway choirs sing the truth behind the lies. Broken glass mirrors, the dreams left for dead. Just a story that the old heads fed. Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold. Above and below, the streets stay cold. Clock ticking symphony, danger's baseline. Rats scurry faster, chasing shadowed lifelines. Moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow. Temptation lingers, heavy where the shadows grow. Block wars wage where the cracks reveal scars. Currency exchanged in the shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with crowns made of sin. Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within. Fast hands feed the slow with the devil's grip. Wisdom's just a phantom, those with power skip. Jazz in the back alleys narrates the decay. Trumpets echoing where the lost souls stay. Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold. Above and below, the streets stay cold. Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins. Ticking symphony, danger's baseline. Rats scurry faster, chasing shadowed lifelines. Moonlight hits the metal, chrome sparks glow. Temptation lingers, heavy where the shadows grow. Block wars waged where the cracks reveal scars. Currency exchanged in the shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with crowns made of sin. Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within.